SEND Reforms Consultation. Collectives Highlights. May 2026.
During the consultation, kids heard from 434 young people. 149 young people took part in our survey. 285 young people took part in online or in-person sessions and activities.
The consultation asked 12 questions. We will share the highlight responses from young people.
How can we involve children and families in making decisions about SEND support?
Ask us. This is most important. Also, working with participation groups and funding them.
How can we make sure that all children with SEND get the support they need?
Speak to us directly, speak to parents, carers and others in our lives. Make sure well-trained staff are available to all young people.
How can we support children with their mental health at nursery, school and college?
99% of young people said learning about emotions and well-being should be part of all levels of education and included as part of the curriculum.
At nursery, you must work in partnership with parents and carers. Help children understand their bodies and their emotions which are linked.
In schools, you must notice issues early. You should have a proactive whole school approach to well-being. Specialist mental health support should be available to those who need it.
In colleges, you must work in partnership with young people. You need to have stronger pastoral and well-being support systems. Teach us how to take care of our mental health and well-being as adults.
What help do you think children and families need before they start school?
Supportive spaces at nurseries that include everyone. Teams of people who work with the child and family. This includes clear, easy to understand information and someone to help plan and coordinate the move into school.
What are the most important things they need to know to support children and young people well?
Young people want support that is built around them. Information includes communication, things I find difficult, how to help me learn, triggers, how to help calm me, things I'm good at. Having information early and understanding it is essential.
How can we make sure that individual support plans work well and that families are happy with them?
Young people feel that standardised templates will help improve quality of documents across all areas. Plans must involve the right people, be clear and understandable, and be read and actioned. Plans should be reviewed and updated regularly.
How can we help young people to leave school and start college, work or university?
Young people said they need to learn a number of key skills to be successful in moving on from school. Young people shared a lot of skills that would help them move on to work or further education. Take a look at these themes for these skills.
Young people said you need skills in each of these key areas to follow a successful pathway from school into college or university. And these were the key areas for the skills needed to follow a successful pathway from school into work.
How can we make sure that inclusion bases help children in mainstream schools?
Schools must make sure that young people with SEND are not left out or shut away. Inclusion spaces must work together with young people, parent carers and school staff to make sure they give the right equipment, support and subjects to learn. Transitions into and out of inclusion bases must be well planned and supported.
How can we make sure that children with complex needs get the right support?
Provide special school places when needed. Ensure skilled teachers are in every classroom. Have access to specialists, education, health and social care must work together with young people and families.
How can we help children and families to choose which school is best for the child?
Young people want information about support, safety and the school environment. It is important that schools and colleges have the information they need to ensure any support can be in place before starting.
What information and help do children and families need about SEND support?
Information is not always easy to find or understand. Information needs to be easier to find, easier to understand, and be more accessible for young people and families.
Is there anything else you want to tell us?
Young people's comments tell us that they want to be listened to and be involved, to feel safe and supported, most suitable and specialist support, and support with transitions.
Kids would like to thank all young people who took part and the support staff who helped ensure voices were heard.